Hi guys, today I just want to show you how to install one of our stage 4 kits. As you can see, we've already got the exhaust done, but this is for the power commander unit, so let's get started. First up, we need to remove the seat, the side cover. You'll notice the side cover, the key goes in behind there, undo that, and a 12mm spanner or socket to remove the tank. On this side you'll find something like that, has to be removed. And on this side, obviously, you've got to remove your fuel line. And you'll also find that there's one line at the front of the tank and 2 lines underneath the tank that need to be removed as well. Once you've done that, you've hooked up the power commander unit there, run the wiring up through underneath the frame like so, and first place we go to is under this boot here, which is right near the key there. Underneath here you'll find a 3-pin. That's the one you want to remove. That's for your crank sensor. Looks like that. Here you can see the cable that comes off the power commander unit. We've basically just undone the crank sensor and put in this is a sort of a piggyback. Now the next one to get to is one of the trickiest. It's actually this little grey one under here, which is your throttle body sensor. I find it easiest to go from above, sometimes with pliers. And you can pull that one out from the throttle body, and then you use the double from that and that one there, and you put that in line as well. Now you might be sensing a bit of a theme here. We're just putting a bunch of things in line. The next one and the last that we have to do in line is the throttle body sensor itself. That's this one over here. If you zoom on that, if we take that out, it's just like so. What we're going to do is install these two in line on that. Now this is well and truly half the job done. As you can see here, we're now at the coil side of things. All I've done is remove the stock orange and the stock red and white from those 2 points there, and we're going to add on to those. So now hopefully you can see we've got the green and white from the PVC going up to the top of the coil. We've got the red and white I'm about to plug in to the bottom of the coil. Also, where that red and white goes to is to the other side of the red and white. And as I said, you've got that orange going up to the green. The only thing I want to ignore is this wire here, which is purely because we've got a electronic tacker on this as well. But that's a standard setup. The last thing we need to do is just on this common earth here, we're just going to put the thing from PCV directly onto that Phillips head screwdriver, and we're just about good to go. The other thing I'll show you is the O2 sensor, which you can see was there. We're going to block that up, but that goes up to there. We've just installed the O2 from the PCV. You actually get it with the PCV unit. It's a block off. Just put that in there and job's done. Once you have the exhaust installed, one last thing I'll show you as well. Our kit comes with a small bung. You install it, you take that off, and the bung just goes in there, and then you're ready to go.